I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Chatgpt account, a Google account, and browser permissions. First, create or enable API access for Chatgpt and note your API key. Next, open Google Cloud Console to set up OAuth credentials and add scopes for the services you want: Drive, Gmail, or Search. Once done, copy client ID and secret into your integration portal. This step links identities and grants controlled access. It prevents later auth failures and avoids overprivileged tokens. Now you configure the integration. Register an OAuth client in Google Cloud and use the exact redirect URI provided by Chatgpt or the third-party connector. Then in Chatgpt's integration settings, paste the client ID and secret and specify only the scopes required. After saving, perform an authorization flow to exchange code for tokens. This validates redirect and scope consent. Make sure to implement and test token refresh logic. Otherwise, sessions will expire and features like Drive access or Gmail search will stop working. Finish by validating functionality. Ask Chatgpt to fetch a Google Drive file or search Gmail to confirm permissions. Once it works, enable any advanced features like scheduled queries or summarization. If things go wrong, check logs for 401 or 403 responses and inspect token expiry and scope mismatches. Reauthorize the app or refresh tokens as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if access is denied, recheck OAuth consent scopes and rotate client secrets. Stale credentials are the most common culprit for sudden failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.